We're here in Caulfield North, about 5 or 6 kilometres from the Melbourne CBD, and the project required us to stitch together 2 existing homes. The key priorities in merging the 2 houses was to determine if the core brief from our clients to accommodate them and their 4 children could all be accommodated without adding any additional floor area to those 2 homes. Because the space between the 2 homes was closed down, we were really motivated to open it up and redefine this gun barrel as well-defined different spaces, especially in the main axes of the lounge, dining and living spaces. So we imposed these beamed transitions. The footprint hardly changed except for really the creation of these 2 links that created a walled courtyard in the center of the home. And using various shading devices, whether they're curtains or blinds, allows us to regulate light levels and privacy to the street and within the different spaces. So the 2 different homes were from different periods, but the main home had been renovated and added on several times in its history, which began in the 1960s. But there were several key elements, including the parquetry floor and some beautiful Australian Duperina granite that we wanted to retain. Although we couldn't get hold of a similar granite, we paid tribute to that by using a selection of different pink and red marbles. And the brass, which already had its presence in the home, then became a real accent into several pieces. And then the timber is used as a veneer and as a solid element as well. We wanted to just manipulate these different materials and also pay tribute to how they've been used in the heritage of the home before we came. We've long been interested in the way window furnishings can help manipulate light into space, and I was excited about being able to use the Warema Venetians in this project. The colour, the scale are things that allowed them in this instance to really blend and enhance the architecture, and they allow for a softening of the light, drama with the shadows they cast. They are really considered from the beginning as part of our approach. It was good to work with Shade Factor in ways that enabled us to take a product which is typically for external use and bring it internally. Normally on an external application, they're designed to stop all light coming in. But once they understood that we wanted the ability for some light to come through in a controlled way, the changes were made. Seeing how the families settled in, how the materials have started to soften, how the landscape has started to take hold, really takes a large home and starts to break it down, and you feel life starting to inhabit it. So I'm really proud that the team and I were able to bring life to these homes and given them a whole new future.